Hey, this is Terry Brereton from Paul Brown Motors. Quite a few times during the week, people are asking me suggestions about what they should do when they buy a car. I guess the first thing I would tell them is make sure you've done your homework before you show up at a dealership. And second, ask around from friends, families, coworkers, where they've bought their car from and where they had a good experience. But one of the other things that comes up frequently is methods of keeping your payments at a minimum. Quite often, with today's cars being around $30,000, $40,000, sometimes even more, people are having to extend their loan terms out to 72, sometimes even 84 months. Unfortunate, but because of the price of the cars, that's pretty much what people have to do to make these affordable on a monthly basis. So that's kind of a fact of life these days. But there is one thing that people can do to help keep those payments down and possibly get those loans paid off a little early. That is, get bi-weekly payments. Basically, what people can do is offer to make half of their payment in the middle of the month and half of the payment at the end of the month. Loans are calculated by banks and the interest is accumulated on the average daily balance. And if you pay part of your payment down halfway through the month, it reduces your average daily balance and also reduces the amount of interest that accrues over the course of your loan. By making biweekly payments, you will find that you actually pay off your loan sometimes as early as 3 to 6 months earlier than you anticipated. That helps when you're getting ready to trade your car. You'll owe a lot less and you'll be able to get a new car a lot sooner. So that's something to consider next time you buy a new car, whether it be here at Paul Brown's or wherever you go. Ask about making bi-weekly payments. You can save thousands. Quite often you'll find that bankers make bi-weekly payments on their mortgages because it really helps them and they understand to get their mortgages paid off quicker. You can do the same thing with your car loans. Make sure wherever you buy your car that they have offered you bi-weekly payments, you know what they are, and you use them to your advantage. Thanks. That makes sense? To bi-weekly